Bill Goudy checking in. I got some fresh catfish. Oh my, never been frozen. I cleaned them. I'm ready to cook them. I'm hungry for some blackened catfish. So I'm getting ready to cook them up right now. Come along, join me. This is my Griswold. Can you read that? It's the number 7. And this is the pan I use for my blackened catfish. You can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I put oil on this, but I cook it so hot that the seasoning goes out. This is a good pan. But I use the same pan all the time for when I do blackened catfish. Hey, look at that. Calvin's Corner 72 gave that to me. Works just perfect for this. I don't put any oil in there. The oil that gets in there is from the fish. The fish provides the oil when I'm blackening my fish. This is just plain water. Oh yeah, look at that, will you? She's hot. You can see the seasoning's gone out. Now there's no oil in that pan. Just peppered, seasoned, my own blend, my own blackening pepper for the catfish. You will realize just how much oil is in that fish. Look at that, will you? This pan was totally dry, and now look. That fish oil came right out of that fish. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been weed eating, and I'm eating that area right there. You can see that I ran out of string. You can see right down there. I got quite a bit done doing that in my spare time. Yeah. Look at this. This is my Roadrunner cup. Let's see. Collectors, Pepsi Collector Series 1976. Oh man, that's good. That is stevia. Iced tea with a little bit of stevia in there. It needs a little fluid after. So I'll tell you, I sweated a lot today. Look. I don't know. Can you see? Can you see how flaky that is? Look at that. Oh. That is so good. Oh my. You know, I'm reminded every time I eat blackened catfish. The first time I did it for Bulldog Bill, God rest his soul. I'm telling a story, but he made some for his girlfriend. And he made it up and then he coated it. Yeah, he heavily coated it. And it was so hot when he cooked it. it was so hot that they couldn't eat it. you go light on the pepper. You do. You just sprinkle it on. The flavor comes from the blackening process. That is so good. This is my salad. A lot of salad. And I had some blue cheese crumbles that left over. Yeah, you know what? I did stuffed cheeseburgers. Those stuffed deer burgers on one of my videos, last videos. And so I've got blue cheese dressing and blue cheese crumbles. Man. I just love that blue cheese. Lucy's down here. She's gonna have to eat her dog food tonight. She doesn't like to fish. Listen, I'd like to hang around, but it's been a long day. Sun's still up about. I'm gonna shut the camera off. I'm gonna eat this, take a shower, hit the hay, and get up and do it all again tomorrow. I ran out of string on that string trimmer, so I'm trying to debate whether to go fishing or run to get some supplies. I got a list of stuff I gotta get, but I could fish tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice, so I don't know. I could fish and get the supplies later, or I could go get the supplies and then maybe go fishing. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll bring you along. I want to thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.